This is a great season, Denver. The snow's thawing out. You're going into a beautiful spring and summer, and it's open house season. So you've got open house signs going up all over the place, and I know that the consumers are seeing that. What is so important and why about open houses in this buying season?
Yeah, well, Amy, when we first sit down with our sellers and our clients, we promise them to get the most exposure for their property. So one obviously is on the internet. They're going to get a ton of exposure there. We put them on 380 websites, and then additionally, we promise an open house for them. So we will do an open house. We typically will do it the first week that the property gets listed. And we will door knock their neighborhood. 14 the statistics say that 14% of the neighbors have either a friend, family, or coworker that wants to move into the community.
So Rodney, those are some great things that you guys are doing to help your sellers with that open house. What are some other strategic things that you and your team do to make sure that it is successful and to give that seller a peace of mind?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we do, we talked about us door knocking. So we will at least do 100 of the houses of the neighbors, and we'll door knock them and invite them to the open house. When we do our farming, when we do our own communities in our farming, we will go to at least 250 to 350 homes as well. Additionally, we put signage. Put several signs out, close to 25 to 30 signs that strategically bring the people outside the community into our community for the open house.
And I love that you're doing that because it also brings in that sense of community. When you've got the neighbors and people in the community coming to the open house, they're also meeting each other and networking and connecting and may not even know who their neighbor is 4 doors down. So I think you're bringing a great sense of community by doing these open houses that's serving multiple purposes and also probably finding a great buyer for that property.